tail lights that I'm using are this brand. I heard some good reviews about that, and I actually tested this one out, the left side, and it's actually pretty good. I liked it. So packaging it's good. So good packaging, that's another positive thing. So whenever you're buying tail lights and like delicate stuff like this, you always want to check for like packaging. You know, just gotta make sure like if it's good stuff, and like make sure they have all the plastic around the what's called that tail light, and you know, make sure you have this in the back and all that stuff, and make sure all the wiring, you know, take this off, and you know, just make sure that all the wiring it's good, there's no broken wires. Alright guys, so for this job you're going to be needing a number 8. Take off the screws right here, and the screws are going to be located back here. And, there's one right here, 2, there's 3 over here, and 4 right there, so that we all know. And then you also got to take off the thing for the lights, so everything can work. And then it's pretty much it, pretty much done. It's pretty simple. All you have to do, like, watch out for it is the wiring, you know. Like a lot of people would say, like, you know, disconnect the battery or something like that, but if you know what you're doing, like, it should be like pretty straightforward. Alright guys, so this is how the tail lights look, and I don't know if y'all can notice it, but kind of messed up right here already. So yeah, I thought the plastic was gonna come off just like that, but I actually tightened it like really good, so you can like pretty much see like plastic hanging out. But don't do the same mistake I did, you know, right?
Yeah.
Like, take the plastic off and then put the screws back on. So.
Yep.
Alright, so for this I'm gonna show you like the full process of like how to remove like everything, like every single screw and bolt, like from the beginning. So starting with the first bolt, it's gonna be this one right here. So you just get like one of these.
You want me to hold it?
No, but there it is. So you just, once it pops, like you just gotta put this thing to the back, and then just like that, and then the screws are gonna be right there. There's gonna be 1 right here, 2, 3 over here, and then the 4th one over there, so that way, like, y'all know like where everything's located. And as well, just don't forget to unscrew the what's called the wiring. So yeah, since I'm gonna be applying the wrap, you know, just make sure you clean your headlights, and you know, you can use alcohol and water, but I'm just gonna be using some soapy water that that I made. So you know, just apply some, and then apply it on both of them, and then with a rag, just clean it off, all that dirt around, all that. All those corners, you know, you want to get those corners. and then with a with a dry one, just dry it off, and then should be good to go. Actually, haven't used this in like a good while. Does it look better?
Yeah, it does. It's getting to look better. That looks good at this one though, I feel like. Kind of still looks the same.
Yo, what's up guys? It's the next day, and yesterday got late, so I wasn't able to finish what I had to do. So yesterday I was just pretty much doing the front, which was the headlights. So it was a total mess. I was pretty bummed out because it came out like horrible. It was like the worst wrap ever for a headlight, pretty much. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So right now I'm actually at this spot right now that I've been passing around because it's around my house. So I always pass through here sometimes. So it actually looks pretty dope. So because it's like next to the highway, so that's why. Let me see. Let me show you that real quick. Let me see how good you can see. But yeah, it's like next to the highway, and like it's like I can probably like take some cool shots right there, like right here, like park it like next to the stop sign and get the pumps in the back or something. But if y'all want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, I've dropped them down below in the description. And what's it called, yeah, that's about it. So we'll see how this photo shoot goes, and I'll see y'all guys in a bit. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm here doing the photo shoot, and I think there's gonna be a little too much light for me since I'm still like a beginner at this. But hopefully I might come back later at night, like when the sun is going down, like sunset. But if anything, I'll probably come back. If not, then I'll probably just do it another day. But I'm gonna try to edit my pictures, and you know, I got the 86 in the back, you know, waiting for some love again. But the tail lights, they actually came out. They came out really good. So this is how they look. They're actually on right now. So that's how they look right now. So imagine them at nighttime. They're gonna look way better than they already do. So that's you know, I'm really happy about that. I've been wanting to do this mod for like the longest time. So we'll see how it goes, and maybe next time I'll come back to the spot because I really like this spot, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all might like it, maybe not, but it's actually good, you know. So this is probably gonna be like my spot where I'll be taking my photo shoots and all that good stuff. But if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.